think burping is rude? In these countries, it's actually a compliment. In China, a good burp after a meal shows the chef you love the food. In Taiwan, burping is seen as a sign of respect for traditional meals. In India, while not common everywhere, some communities accept burping as natural and appreciative. In Turkey, it's a subtle way to say, "I'm full and satisfied." In Saudi Arabia, burping isn't taboo. It can even be a mark of good hospitality. So next time you burp, maybe you're just being polite. Want to learn more global etiquette shocks? Hit like and follow Beyond Borders.